asingaite ma-contracts nema-artist. Nema-artist. I believe that what we agree should stand. That I learned from the late Oliver Mtukudzi. Didn't contract one and I said now Oliver Mtukudzi. One, the very first contract.
Okay.
Thereafter it was just word of mouth.
Gentleman's agreement.
Kana show ya flow pa ndoenda mudhara zvinazvinomira zvakanaka pa ndimbo ndipo 2 days kana chakati ndipedze mari yenyu. But the problem ndekuti kana show yazofaya manje you also have to go back nomunhu yekuti zvinhu zvafaya mudhara mari yamakachaja yei oika extra. That's how I build my relationship with my artist. And I mastered kuti my artists ane different behaviors. But kuti wewe chivanzwisisa chienda pasi pavo, you deal ne each individual character zvaanoda. I'll give you a good example. Soldier life chaicha muna inetsa kuti maona akawanda sereki. But I've done more than 200 shows na Soldier life.
No problem.
And not even a single show yasina kuya ku event yangu. I remember ndakatona ye marondera Mutare Bed Bridge. Ndiye atonimutsa kuti mudhara ngatende komtari. Mudhara ngatisara tondoata Bed Bridge. But he's never like that. He was never like that to another promoter. So my artist, the best way to deal now kuvanzwisisa zvavanoda. Once ukadaro, then you not have any problems. What I think my artists must have proper managers.
All right.
If you're a manager for an artist, Chipaz okufonera. And uda umswakati. Usangoti hand free 5,000. Tango wabvunza the nature of the event.
Yes.
Wabvunza kuti ndiana anenge ari ipapo. Vamwe ma-artist. Wabvunza ndiana akunza PA system. Kudhara used to say kuti banda anonetsa manager wawingiti. Because you'd ask kuti PA system ndiana akunza.
The sound quality.
Yeah, but then we frustrated kuti anenazvo. Kuti mama artist ndianani. But it's very important. Because if an artist is performing alongside a big artist, even the preps are akasiyana. Even time another drum studio perfect art yake akasiyana. Because my fans are bound to compare kuti ndiana kunda munhu pa artist. Even the playlist will also differ. So it's very important to have a manager anoziva what to ask before saying kuti we can do the event. And it's not every day you try to go chete. So I think my artist said that my manager proper will go far in the beginning.
This is the last question before we go into Soldier Love issue. You promoted Alec Macheso, you promoted Tongai Moyo, and I know during those days there was a time when the two musicians were almost at par.
Yes.
And their fans to an extent it almost became a war.
Yeah, correct.
We want to tap from you as a promoter then. Was there bad blood between Tongai and Alec Macheso, do you think? As you were
no, there was no bad blood. Bad blood yanga kuma fans. Kuna ma fans anaenda kwa Macheso. Uzaenda kwa Tongai. And don't talk Tongai ngaiti zvakati. When an artist gives a message in a song form, artist njaya kuziva what zvakutaure. But because you are a fan, une agenda yako unozviinterpreta kuti anga chiti zvakati. But at the same time that beef yemafans iyoyo yakanaka because zvinoita kuti ma-artist aito futi gear up ma-performance avo. And at the end of the day zvakanaka kuti mapromota isusu manumbers anowanda. Bo ndikatashona Macheso pamuzinda ndipinza 2000 ndotora Tongai outapinza vanhu vapfuta chi 2000. So at the end of the day it's a good business for us. But chandakafara kuti at the end of the day Macheso na Tongai they realized kuti beef mafans avo inoita samari. They then end up doing my shows very Macheso Tongai.
Okay.
Those guys right out and they were friends. Yeah. I did my international events. I brought in B Signal. I brought in Luciano, Roman Vigo. I brought in Charlie Black, Casper Novest. But if you're in Zimbabwe and you are calling an artist outside, it means there's something you will notice upon that artist. You don't just call in and go to Uya. Something to artists, they must also create my brand and notice internationally. It's because of the brand that they've created. Macheso August, yes. It's because of the brand that you've created. And we create a brand. If someone calls you from America, you know we create a brand. Yes. So you now
brand
value. So what is in the value? It's what you determine and what you put in your contract. Could inina and query economy.
Yes.
Do value our set. Inini the stage time so.
Yes.
That's the value you've created. So I'm saying we pay those artists Mariaka Wanda because we create a brand and value. In the end, we for that brand and value.
Yeah.
I think we had Benaboy.
Yeah.
But actually show but it's because brand are creator.
Yeah.
So it's not good to but we are saying let them up their brands.
Yes.
Because my brands are Panatanga from Japresa, I did some shows Mahara. It was brands and up.
Yes.
But now we cannot do that. Tafana kumbada and the ne brands rake. In the Panatanga Japresa, Manajangari pa Sisira Apo. Because brands are kura, running management. Management the Apo, if I know what I'm the Chipaz artists Niki. Manager Apo out as a brand in the value artist.